What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to unbox together the SunJoe Dethatcher and Scarifier, and we are going to have a walk on the renovation area and see where we stand. Stay tuned. So let's see together what came out from the box. And so of course we have the bag for the Scarifier and the Dethatcher. We have the chance to win $20 gift card by of course making making publicity to the SunJoe, following the guidelines which is in this book. I will have to read. We have the manual, and we have the rest of pieces which we have to use to build up the Dethatcher and Scarifier. The equipment comes out with the Scarifier. So the first thing that I planning to do is to take out the Scarifier and put the Dethatcher attachment underneath, which is this one. Unboxed and assembled the SunJoe. The assembly, I have to say, was kind of easy, but in the beginning I was having trouble to adjust the depth of the machine. It seems like that is a bit stiff while you are pulling, and of course in the beginning I was afraid to break some parts, so I went back on the manual and see if I was doing the correct thing, really. But in reality the assembly overall takes between 10-15 minutes with changing the Scarifier attachment versus the Dethatcher. We are going to do the now we are just going to go through the renovation area and see what I have been done so far, which is pretty much I have just killed my lawn, and I have cutted with the lawnmower as low as possible. As you can see, I have still parts where I got moss here, and I'm planning to spray moss killer in the next couple of days before using the Dethatcher. So whatever is still green, it's still it's moss in the lawn, so this will need to go out. I'm not sure if you can see what I can really see in the video, but perhaps having a look here, how much soil I'm missing here to level, and actually I will need to while working I will need to bring this up if I can, and trying to adjust and level up, but I was having I was having a real depth problem over here and over this area, and my mower was suffering all the time. Not only the mower, but of course the grass, cause cutting a tire level. I was getting parts where I was even cutting probably at 8-9 inches, and the grass was not doing well. Overall, this is for today video, guys. There is no spray, but mostly getting ready for this renovation. Spoiler alert, I'm expecting to get the soil next Monday to start the renovation area here, and finger crossed, time permitting, I will crack this project beginning next week, and starting to seed this area. We are, I believe, in a very good spot, end of August. Lately, in the last couple of days, temperature here in the Pacific Northwest, they are already getting a little peak down, so I believe we are in a very good spot on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this week video. If you liked, don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe to my channel for more content to come, and mostly for the renovation area. Support my small channel, and I'll see you next time.